Guys, welcome back. I know you could see this low quality video. It's because I left my camera charger at home. How did I do that? But it's okay. I'm gonna make it work with the phone camera. It's not that bad. For this video, what I'm gonna do is finals are coming up. And so I wanted to do a monthly reset, but I know like half the month I'll be doing finals and getting ready for that. So I just wanted to do a quick little reset. This wasn't actually my full monthly reset, but I wanted to do just like a snippet of it. I actually didn't even have time because I came back home from Thanksgiving and then that Wednesday was December 1st. So the first thing I do is my hair. As you guys can see, outside is actually getting pretty cold. So I wanted to moisturize my hair, but I know oil by itself doesn't moisturize, but I mostly put it on my scalp, and you guys know the 9 oils I put. So I put it all over my scalp. That's my main priority. Massage it, make sure my scalp is not dry, and then I put the oil down the rest of my hair. I already have product in it from last week. Everything's just gonna marinate while I do everything else. So I put a plastic bag so that it's warm and everything is sealed. And then I also put on a bonnet. Not my camera. Okay, so the next thing I do are my eyebrows. So I was planning to thread my eyebrows when I went home for Thanksgiving, but I didn't have time. But to be honest with you, my eyebrows are not that bad. So I'm just cleaning up. I did have to clean up a lot, but it wasn't like I had to reshape. Okay, next is I set the rest of my December, so I'm just here for 15 days with all my exams. I usually have it on my Notability app, so I keep everything organized on my Notability app. But this board helps me because I see it when I walk out of my room and when I come back, and I always try to cross it every time I go there so that I know what's due for the next day. And so I clean off everything and then I write December, and I just write the first 14 days of my exams, my last homework, work, everything, so I can stay organized because I need that for these next 2 weeks. Okay, so after I'm done filling up every single thing, next I go to my room and I try to clean it up. So I'm not doing a deep clean because I'm gonna do a deep clean before I go home for winter break. So this is just like a surface clean because I already cleaned it, a deep clean before Thanksgiving break. So I'm gonna do a surface cleaning. So putting all my stuff away and then sweeping the floor, make sure everything is clean. The floor gets dirty because, I'm not gonna lie, my dorm has really bad ventilation, or like the air system here, it looks like feathers are everywhere. Like I don't know what it is, but every single week like it dusts up so much. My floors are always dusty. Next thing I do is my desk. I barely sit on my desk. To be honest with you, I'm never in my room. I'm always doing my homework at like the study room, and I'm only here to sleep, but I like my space to be clean because I just get to my room and everything is clean. So I put away all the jewelries that I took home for Thanksgiving, and this candle right here smells like fall, like the definition of fall. That's exactly how it smells. I got it from Ross. It's called Energizer. I'm probably never gonna get another one because that's how Ross works. But I put it on my heater so it just melts the wax. So my room smells good. Then I get my backpack, and I charge everything every other day, but I charge my laptop every day. But I charge my pen, My pen actually I needed to charge once a week and it lasts me the whole week. So I charge everything and I move on to the bathroom to clean my sink. So I clean my sink, I dust my sink. By the way, I got a roommate. Something happened to the freshman dorm building, so they had to like spread out the freshmen. So we got 2 freshmen in my dorm. So me and Jalen's my roommate that I did podcast with. We got new roommates. So now I share a bathroom again, but she's really clean, so thank God. This next thing I have is a wax melter, and I got it from not a flea market, but a farmer's market. It was like a black owned business. I was like, first of all, I want to support. Second, it smelled bomb. It smells like Christmas. Next is I go and I take a shower, and after I come back from the shower, you guys already know, I get my hair done for the week and I get everything ready. So I put my leave-in conditioner, my curl cream, and then I also started putting gel, like the Eco Gel, the olive oil one, because I tried it for Thanksgiving to get that wet look, but to be honest, it kept my hair so curly and shiny, especially since it's winter and it's cold outside. It kept my hair so moisturized, and so I'm gonna put that gel because I know it's olive oil based, so put oil on my hair, but my hair just didn't feel dry. I'm gonna start putting gel on my hair just for the cold weather. Okay, next thing I do is after I come out of the shower, I've been doing this for months, but I don't know why I didn't film it, but this is a hack. I get a cotton swab and I put witch hazel, and it's the one without alcohol because we shouldn't be putting anything that has alcohol on our skin, just for reaction, plus my skin's very sensitive. So I put it under my armpits, and then I also put it behind my neck, everything to get it clean. So that's for being clean. This next thing I put is the glycolic acid by The Ordinary, and this helps your armpits not smell or anything like that. I already put this on my channel, but I don't really use aluminum deodorants, so putting this on really helps me. I basically smell like nothing. So after I'm done with that, I'm gonna shave my face, and so I do this once a month. I really try to not do it that much. So I clean my face, I make sure my face is clean before I shave it, and I also make sure the razor is clean every time I do that because I do shave my face once a month, so I just try to switch it out. So I put aloe vera gel. I usually put the actual aloe vera plant, but I didn't have it. So I asked my friend and she just gave it to me. I don't even know what the brand is called, but it didn't react to my face, so thank God. So I put the gel on and then I just shave the side of my face, so not my full face. I don't do my forehead or my cheek or like my chin. I just do the sides of my face and then my upper lip. This is really good because I don't know, I've seen it. So I've been shaving my face for a couple of years now. It actually helps with acne. That's for me. I don't know if it's true for everyone, but the number one thing is like, wait, if you wear foundation, it's laid on your skin. Your skin looks even, it looks airbrushed. The foundation doesn't get caught up on the peach fuzz, so it just makes your face smooth. My face felt so smooth after this. So I moisturize with my CeraVe Skin. The next thing I do is I go in with my gua sha. So I started using gua sha, right? And then I stopped. But now I'm going back on it because I've been seeing TikToks and their results. I'm like, what? The side of their face is like, you can see their jawline and it just makes your face look sculpted. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start doing it now to actually see results, because I stopped doing it because I'm like, I don't really see results. And then the last thing I do is I put Vaseline or Aquaphor on my face because, to be honest, it helps me during the winter months. My face is like half as dry, half as oily. So I put that on and then I go to my room. So once I'm in, I take my iPad. This is where I put most of my notes because I don't really do like physical paper. I know some people prefer that, but I prefer my iPad because it's just there. I write my goals for December, my intention, and I pray about it. And I got 2 words. I'll probably talk about this like January 1st, but each month I get a word and I write it down and I actually see it. I suggest I pray about it because that's my faith, and that's number one thing for me before I do anything. And so I base that off of the rest of my goals. I base it off of the word I got. And so after that, I close everything up, cleaned everything, and then I just head to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Come again.